Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into the crossover of Batman and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So let's have a look into this right now. And there you have it. This is Batman and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Okay, let's just open the packaging. Okay, so this is the front. And this is the back. Okay. So just like what I did with the previous unboxing of the Red Hood, I'm going to try and flick through the pages as quick as possible without trying to spoil anything to anyone who has not read the crossover between Batman and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So let's go. Okay. I have flicked through all the pages, and that's it really. So this is Batman and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles crossover on hardcover. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye.